Hello guys, welcome back to Ritvik Codes. It's Christmas and I hope you guys are fine and safe from coronavirus. So in this video we're gonna make a dice roller game. This includes libraries such as Pillow or PIL, stands for Python Image Library, the Tkinter, which is pre-installed with Python, and random, the random library. So those are the three main libraries which we need, and also have these images. You can find them by searching on Google, or if you want my images, I'll put them in the description below. So without much further ado, let's get started. So we're gonna import the libraries. After importing the libraries, we're gonna make the main frame of the app. So let's call it app. So for my instance, I'm just gonna name it a.tail is standing for the name of your window. So I'm gonna name it dice roller a.geometry. I'll give 500 by 500. How about 750 by 750? a.config. I'm using config to change the background. Black, all in lower cases. a.main loop to just see the window. Now we have a clean window. I want to add the icon, so a.icon photo, and the logo is the logo.png I have. False is the default bool. The image is what you're going to put in the logo. And if you're running, see that the icon is updated. But it's just a normal boring window. I have to add the images and buttons. So I'll import all the dice images. After importing all that, we'll start adding the widgets, adding labels and buttons. So our first label is the head label. It will be on the top. So head label as label A. Put this A because I want to display it on the main window.